linking verbs are called so because they link the noun or pronoun in the sentence with their description. They do not tell anything about the action being performed in the sentence. She is a pretty girl. She is a pronoun. Is a helping verb. A pretty girl is the description of the pronoun. So helping verb is linking the pronoun to its description. Let's learn another example. He has a big car. Here, he is a pronoun. Has is a helping verb. A big car is a description of the pronoun. The helping verb has is linking the pronoun he with its description. So kids, helping verbs link the noun or pronoun with its description. Let's have some more examples. He seems tired. The linking verb here is seems. It does not tell anything about any action. Kids, you can see that the verb seems links he and tired together. It provides information about he, that he looks tired. So, seems here is a linking verb. Let's see another sentence. This sweater feels good. The linking verb in this sentence is feels, as it links sweater and good together. Here's our next sentence. The teacher appeared angry. The linking verb here is appeared, as it links teacher and angry together. So kids, we learned that linking verbs do not tell about any action, but they link the noun or the pronoun to its description.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!